Temumulaba. Mumwagala wa. Ate yafulumye.
Magulugano emyaka gyegyo. Muzikirize sigale natutte. Emyaka gyegyo. Banange mwena tubebaza okukeera wano. Okubeerawo Spice Diana. Buli ali wano, thank you so much. Abamawulire, Spice Gadgets, abayimbi mwena. Thank you so much. For sponsors, mwebale. Spice. Ntera namuyita baby girl because Spice ali real. Emikwano gy'abayimbi giba mizibu. I for one, sije nina emingi. Era it's rare. Ndwawo gamba nti onsanze nti ndina empundi sibalinaako obuzibu. Naye omuntu asobola okugamba nti I think you need this kind of photographer. You need this. Like, totally selfish. Yeah. Nga mwebagambye nti olwayo beddawo nasooka agamba generations ziyinza okubazawukanamu a little bit, you know. Mulimu ebintu byoba totwalanga byamaanyi. Be like, I'll use my phone to take a picture. Chiba chimada, you know. And then she'll tell you, the first photographer gwe nafuna ngantambula naye. I think Spicy amufunira. Like, you know, you need a photographer, no musaba contacts, she's not selfish, she'll call that person, connecting it. Totally selfish. Atenge echo kimanyiddwa nnyo mu bakyala, you know. But Spice, thank you for being real. Tali regular. Ate bambi kaagaliza ndozera kyekimuta selfish. N'ekirala, in this industry ng'omukyala, as a young woman, young lady nga Spice, openings nnyo amaaso ebintu bingi nnyo. Mulimu ebintu abasinga abayimbi wano lwali bateefiirako, you know, like how you dress, how to, you know, ayongeddemu nga omuyita nti she's a star girl. Ayongeddemu. Ekintu akyongeddemu and then you're like, ooh, you know, not like an industry cooler. I'm telling you, we should be grateful for Spice Diana. You know, industry yengongeddemu ko there's that, yeah, what is it called? She's always coming up with something new. Yes, showbiz. You know, she has branded herself so well. You know, not even that omuyimbi is not all about singing, going on stage, making that money, go back home and sleep. You have to think of other things as well. Yeah? So, nze sijja kukwekereza wamma. Tukulabirako, yadde tuli bakulubo. Okitegeera. There's some things we see, no gamba, akaana kano, nze nkaita akaana ako. I don't know if it upsets you, but I feel like, akaana kano kalabi, you know, nekakuba ekifaananyi nga kya tabu, nga ne Beyonce tannakifulumya. Just saying, honestly, you know. I'm here because I'm grateful. You're real. Webale kugatta abayimbi abasinga obagatta. I don't know how you do that. Abantu abasinga bakolagana naawe in ways of, you know, they come to your home, they are close to you. It's not easy. It's not easy. Abayimbi tulina obuyisa bwaffe. Buli omu alina obuyisa bwe. But okugatta abantu in one place, it means a lot. It says a lot about you. So come 10th January, we're truly to support you, baby girl. I have my table one, you know, yeah. Kubanze ne ku concert yange, when I was getting my costumes ready, she was part of the costume team. So Spice, thank you. Thank you for being who you are. Bakama jokchi kubalira chonga chobesabye. Kale bana imwe.
Thank you so much, Rema. Rema kaimba chaka Spice kotero kuyiba mu nyumba o Wanji Rema kaimba chaka
wewe mwinyumira ni kama kaina vibe yako
Wanji? Kankwe Mike.
There's a song Mr. Lee wrote for me, bakaita Dr. Ali. Twali mu studio nkayimba ndowooza kurema. And Dr. Hamza.
Go ayimbira Hamza akayiba. Spice. So toina kali specific.
Olwimba businga mbwagala.
Okay.
Baby boy onsanula, olwenkulaba Baby boy onsanula. That was a hit.
Oba tukakola remix.
Baby jamondabe. That was a different vibe. Baby jamondabe. Mokwano jamondabe. Why don't you touch my body? That was nice too.
Thank you so much, Rema Namakola. Another round of applause for Rema.
Keeping it to female artists. Martha, hi. So 3 things which I also want to mention is that as Capital Radio, we are coming through as the radio broadcast partner for her concert when she's celebrating 10 years of experience in the industry. We shall be with you. If you have extras that you're going to do, we are going to make noise, Spice, from now, as always.
Yeah?
Yes, we'll make noise. Our role here as the media radio official broadcast partner is to ensure that being that we cover the whole country, we want everyone from Gulu, from Arua, from Mbale, from Fort Portal, because we broadcast everywhere, to feel that Spice Diana has a concert on the 10th of January 2025. So that's going to be our major role as Capital Radio Group. That is Kiss, Beat, and Capital. The other thing, also what we are going to also support with is our listeners out there across.
Spice webale nnyo kugatta bayimbi. Rema kyayogedde kikulu nnyo. Every time Spice has an event is where you find artists wadde nga tebakwatagana naye ojja basanga mu kifo kye kimu always. That's a very good virtual ekwataganya abantu. It's not very easy mu industry yaffe, si kyangu nnyo. Kale, let's go to one last person, then Diana ajja kwogera ate nzizireyo eri mikwano gye because mingi nnyo. Let me pass the mic over to Carol right here. Then nja kuddayo eno maaso kaawo. Carol Kasita, Mama Sita.
Diana, I'm so proud of you. Nti otuse for something actually this big, celebrating 10 years in the business.